Welcome to Motivational Minute here on the Writers Atelier channel. My name is Racquel Henry, the founder of Writers Atelier. I'm going to give you all a pep talk in a 60-second video. Has fear ever paralyzed you from taking a risk in your own writing career? Has it stopped you from writing in general or even calling yourself a writer? So many of us are waiting to start or waiting to take a chance on our own work or in our work for that matter. Why? Because the words on the page are ours. They're close to our hearts. And we're afraid of not only rejection of our work, but rejection of ourselves. The reality is that we're doing ourselves a disservice if we're holding on to our stories and not sharing them with anyone else. Someone out there just may need the thing that you have to say, whatever capacity that may be. So today I want to encourage you to take a chance, be bold, get the words on the page, and write brave. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more inspiration and motivation. You can also check out the links to our Patreon page down below. Thanks for watching, and we will see you again here next time. Bye.